After months of speculation and anticipation, DJI has finally teased what could be the biggest cinema drone release of the year, the Mavic 4 Pro. With a teaser titled Spin Your World, shared on their X account, DJI officially confirmed the launch date. So, mark your calendars for May 13th. What really caught everyone's eye is the hint at a 360-degree gimbal rotation, a first for any drone. But even before this official teaser, the internet was buzzing with leaked images, videos, and a detailed spec sheet. So in today's video, let's break down everything we know so far about the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, and why it could redefine aerial cinematography. Let's start with the design. This time around, DJI is shaking things up. The camera and gimbal setup are getting a significant makeover, moving away from the boxy design to a sleek circular frame. Not only does it look futuristic, but this change is expected to offer greater gimbal flexibility than ever before. Now, about the camera system. The teaser shows a triple-lens setup, just like the Mavic 3 Pro. But the real upgrades lie under the hood. According to leaks, the main lens features a new generation wide-angle camera paired with a 4:3 CMOS sensor. This setup will allow the Mavic 4 Pro to record up to 6K at 60 frames per second or 4K at 120 frames per second, a leap forward from the 5.1K at 50 frames per second of the previous model. We're also looking at a dynamic range of 16 stops, a spec usually reserved for high-end cinema cameras. That's a strong indicator that DJI is targeting professional cinematographers with this release. And with an effective pixel count rumored at 100 MP, low light performance and image clarity are about to get a serious boost, perfect for landscape and nature shooters. As for the telephoto and HDR lenses, we can expect larger 1/1.3-inch and 1/1.5 CMOS sensors. This offers more focal length options, giving creators more creative control over their shots. Both lenses are said to support f/2.8 apertures, dual native ISO, subject tracking, and HDR video recording at 4K 60 frames per second. Plus, D-Log support across all lenses ensures consistent color output, no matter which lens you're using. But the biggest game changer? The new gimbal system. While the circular frame might not be for everyone, it enables infinite gimbal movement with 360 degrees horizontal rotation. This opens the door for dynamic multi-angle shots that were previously impossible on consumer drones. Moving to video transmission, the Mavic 4 Pro will reportedly use DJI's latest OcuSync Plus technology. This upgrade enables 10-bit HDR transmission with a maximum range of 30 kilometers, doubling the reach of the Mavic 3 Pro. This also means more stable connections, even in congested environments like cities. Now let's talk safety. The Mavic 4 Pro features all-directional obstacle detection, even in low-light conditions. It's equipped with 6 high-performance low-light fisheye sensors with 0.1 lux sensitivity, and dual processors for advanced environmental awareness. There's also a front-mounted LiDAR system for faster, more accurate object detection and emergency braking. When it comes to flight endurance, you're getting a solid upgrade. The Mavic 4 Pro will reportedly offer up to 51 minutes of flight time, a noticeable jump from the 40 minutes offered by its predecessor. And with a top speed of 90 km per hour and maximum flight range of 41 kilometers, this drone is built for long, uninterrupted shooting sessions. Altogether, these specs make it very clear. The Mavic 4 Pro is built not just for enthusiasts, but for professionals who demand cinematic quality, long endurance, and next-level flexibility in one sleek flying package. So, the countdown begins. With all the rumored features and design innovations, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro could be the most powerful drone we've ever seen in the consumer space. Are you excited to see this drone in action? Or are you still considering more affordable alternatives like the Air 3S? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Technify for the latest in drone tech, camera gear, and all things filmmaking. Stay tuned, because we'll be covering the official launch as soon as it drops. Until then, keep flying, keep creating, and stay sharp with Technify.